Bokhisto River. It originates from Meghalaya and falls at Deepor Bill. This river, along with the Bharalu, plays a vital role in mitigating the urban flood occurred during rainy season. Recently, urban flood became one of the major natural disasters across the world. Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, etc. become a victim of it. Guwahati city is also not lagging behind. We can experience it frequently during monsoon season. Causes of urban flood: number 1, artificial cause, and number 2, natural cause. Artificial cause: number 1, Guwahati is an unplanned city. Number 2, rapid encroachment of wetlands like Deepor Bill. Number 3, lack of scientific drainage system. Number 4, lack of solid waste management. Number 5, deposition of seals in the river channel like Bharalu River and Bokhisto River. Natural causes are change in climate because of global warming. Solutions are: number 1, proper urban planning. Number 2, protection of wetlands. Number 3, restoration of floodplains. Number 4, desiltation of river channel. Number 5, rooftop vegetation.